fellow YouTubers. Today I'm gonna be talking about my Concorde. So Concorde was used in 1969. Was first reviewed in 1969 and was ended in 2013 because of two things. One, that it made too much noise when it broke the sound barrier, and number two is that it was a little too expensive. This is why only Air France and British Airways used it. So we're going to start our interior tour with the air stairs. Now we're inside the plane. The whole roof can be removed with one hand. And then we'll start our interior tour with the cockpit. So that's the pilot seat right there. I know it's a little spaced out. Maybe I'll fix it later. Maybe I'll go into another project. Now we have two washrooms right here. So 1, 2. And now we have the first class. And then the first class ends like right here. Yeah, so first class ends right there. And now we have the economy class. As we move back, we see more rows and rows and rows of seats. And then there are two washrooms at the end here. And then a few more rows of seats. And then the tail. So that's that. So, this thing also has retracting landing gear. That's the roof. It's really long. So I'll first show you the landing gear. That landing gear engines. So that's that. So we can move the camera. So make sure to show you the camera. So I'm gonna flip this thing over now.
Here goes something.
Kind of scared. Honestly, kind of scared.
Because it's gonna break, maybe. Good.
So this is the landing gear. Okay, so this is the underside of the aircraft. There, the engines are there. I did do a speed build, but I didn't do it on what I'm using to record it right now. So there are two main sets for the Concorde at the back. That's one. Retracts like that. And here's another one that just retracts like that. So yeah, I really enjoyed this project, like a lot. I really enjoyed it. I did finish it very quickly. Oh, I forgot to also show you the nose gear. It's a little fragile, but yeah, I told you it was a little fragile. But it can easily be put like that. So yeah, that's the underbody. Really. Hold the phone again a bit.
Okay. I'm gonna go like this.
Make sure to change the camera. So now I'm gonna have to lift everything back up.
Well, see. Okay.
That's not perfect. So, so pretty much that's it. I really enjoyed making this. I hope to make more builds like this in the future. But bye for now. End the video.